How to play local music on iPhone with Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to play local music on iPhone with Spotify. If you're an iPhone user, you probably also have local music saved on your Apple Music library, just like mine. If you happen to also be a Spotify user, you probably want to be able to play all your local music and Spotify music under one application. It's just more convenient that way. Let me teach you how to do that by opening Spotify. Once you're at the home page of Spotify, you should see the settings icon on the right top corner of the page. Just tap on this settings icon and scroll all the way down until you see local files in between notifications and about. On this page, you should see show audio files from this device. Just turn this on by tapping the button next to it. This should add all the local music from your device to your Spotify library. Once you get a confirmation that the local music has been added, just tap on the Your Library icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This should bring you to your playlist. Select Local Files. On this page, you should now see all the local music from your Apple Music library. To play a song, just go through the list and find your song of choice. Tap the song you'd like to listen to and it should automatically start playing. Before you go enjoy the music, if you found this video helpful, please let us know on the comments, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one!